Hello, I'm Lord Link, and today I will be playing Twilight Princess because it's my favourite Zelda game and I thought, why not play it? So yeah, I'm gonna just start playing it while talking. If I remember how to... B is to erase, okay. What am I gonna call myself? This is gonna be really weird. It's gonna be one of those prank names. I'm tempted to call myself Stupid. And it is an M-rated game, so anyone watching here should be able to cope with the name. And if you can't, I'm very sorry. If you can't, I'll put an umlaut so it doesn't, like, sound like stupid. It'd be like, ooh. I don't know, I can't pronounce letters. If only I could put... Oh, P. It's a D. Done. No, my horse will be... Did I actually just do that? Where's L? No, not Lynx. Okay, my horse is named Link. Now, I will be ranting a bit in this video, so it's more of a stream video. Though I can't live stream because my computer / device has no battery. Blah blah blah. But yeah, I've gotten like this is the game where I've done the second best in all the games. Stupid. Okay. No. You have never been to Hyrule, right? Okay, that's my dog. Don't mind the barking. Yeah, no one cares. Don't know why I called myself stupid. Talk to me about this matter. Wow. Legend of Zelda, Twilight Princess. Being played. Anyway, yeah, I have quite a few Zelda games. My first game that I got was actually Wind Waker, so I'll talk about Wind Waker later. It's a terror. I have a lot to say about Wind Waker. So I'll talk about Breath of the Wild, which I've completed and done a few videos on. That's the game which I've done the furthest of. But yeah, after that I got Twilight Princess, which I'm in the actual game, not this. In my actual game, I'm actually up to... I've gotten the Master Sword and I'm at the Pass of Gerudo Desert. I'm into... What do they call it? The Arbiter's Grounds. Yes, I remember its name. Ha, take that, YouTube. I remember a name. Dada. Mama pregnant. Can I, like, skip this? Anyway, after that I got Ocarina of Time, which I couldn't get past Jabby Jabber's belly. So, don't mind that. Then I think I got Majora's Mask next. Ooh, Lilia. Ugh. She just stole my horse, did you get that? She just walks up and walks away with my horse, and then this guy's like, hi! Hey, stupid! You there! I love that. This girl just takes my horse and then someone calls you, hey, stupid, you mind helping me herd the goats? They ain't listening to me lately. Stupid. This is gonna be a long day. A long video. Hi, where's Link? I want him. Link's better than you, stupid. He can help me herd the goats. Ooh, I can move. Let me just My nunchuck is tangled. Okay. Ooh, can I speak to the... No, I have to speak to him. Come on, hurry up and bring Link with you. I am Link, aren't I? I am chosen by the goddess to be... Oh, I have 3 hearts. Snazzy. Anyway, yeah, so, yeah, Majora's Mask, I couldn't even get into the Woodfall Temple. It was just too creepy. Give me your rupees! I said, give me your rupees! Ha! See, I need money. You don't want to know how much money this game, like, how... Die! I want this rock. See, I know when rocks have rupees. I'm gonna throw this at Lilia. Ilya. Oh my god, names, I hate names. Ooh, my horse. Nice. Oh, isn't this a nice scene? What are you doing there? Hey, you there, stop stealing my horse. It's my horse, not yours. Stupid person. Oh, hi stupid. Hi stupid. I watched Link for you. What are you doing watching Link? Ilya! You naughty person. Oh, this is going to be a very long day. But yeah, so, Majora's Mask, Link is a girl too. So you have... Link is a girl and Zelda is the boy. I knew it. So you have to treat her nice, like one. Oh, but listen, stupid. Could you do something for me? Could you use a piece of grass to play that song that Eternal likes? No. Fine. She said something about stupid. I have the trifle in my hand. Is that Epona's song? I don't know, I can't remember it. Anyway, Majora's Mask did very terribly. Thanks. You're mine now. She's all prettied up now. I don't care. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Stupid horse. Come on, Link. You're meant to be smart. Then act like one. Oh. Yeah, this is better than Breath of the Wild riding. I'm liking this game. No, I have played it before, so I should know this, but I've forgotten it. I have forgotten most of the beginning. Welcome to town. Epona. Link goes to town. Anyway, yeah, but after that I got Skyward Sword, which I did the first temple, and I'm about to enter the second. Anyway. Oh, isn't this nice? It's all ordinary, and he's using his sword to cut people in half. Hey, I want that sword. And then there's a mayor. Let me enter. Let me speak to you. If it isn't young stupid. Yeah, it's young stupid. Come on, Dad, I'm good for nothing. Okay, I'm not going to talk to anyone because it's boring. Talking to people is useless. No, I'm not talking to you. I don't like you. You're useless people of this stupid town. I'm gonna herd goats. Ha! Take that! Goaty! We're protected. But yeah, life is good as Link. I'm not sure what else to talk about. Zelda theories? My opinion of them? I don't know. Yes, I can do it for you, but I can't do it for you in a time limit unless you give me rupees. Get in there, goats. Goat in, goat in, goat in. Hey, come in. Ah, there's a goat in home. Get in there, mate. Here, here. I'm using a sword and saying here. Here. Get in home. Go home. Get in. Damn, that goat is stupid. But yay. Let's go herd some goats. But, oh my god, that goat is actually raging now. Oh my god, what has he done? Hey, what did I do to you? Mate? That goat just literally just went red and started charging at me like, ha, die. I just whipped him. Whoop, whoop. Now it's time to get this goat. You! You! Other way. Yes. Go. Yeah, run. Yeah, I'm talking to you, goat. Get in! It was easy. Can I get like a piece of heart or something? Alright, but how about today? I want to practice with the fences? Oh, crap. Now I've got to jump fence. Done. Now go away. I don't want to hear from you again, Mr. Ryder. In fact, I'm very happy with myself. Yes, I want to save. Why wouldn't I want to save? I want to save for stupid. Come on. Do I have a playtime? Yeah, I've played for 9... I've been ranting for 9 minutes. I am so sorry. Anyway, I'll talk to you about Wind Waker now. Seeing that we're playing Twilight Princess and they're totally the same game. They do both have remakes on the Wii U though, so... Now they're waiting for me outside my house. Like, how creepy is that? Hey, wake up, stupid, it's morning already. Excuse me, princess, but come on. Yeah, I'm dropping down. Who do you think I am? Prince Darwin of the... I don't know. Darwin people. Anyway, so Wind Waker. It starts off with a very long first island, but then again so does this. You have to collect 30 rupees. Did I just ruin it? Don't care. You. Hi, stupid. You have the day off work today, right? I finished the fishing rod I was making. Stupid, I figured I'd give it to you first thing in the morning, but Dad said you would just wait until stupid comes to get it, so I didn't bring it to you. No, I'm gonna get on. Yes. Oh, come on! Link does not need a day of work. Hey, stupid, did you hear? They're selling a slingshot right in the store right now. A slingshot. It's Malo from Malo Mart. Remember those musics and those videos? Malo Mart goes with everything. Mallow. Tallow and Mallow. Malo Mart. Malo Mart. I can't see any rumors in my hand. I can't afford the thing. Beth is rich. Okay, Beth is a spoiled rich girl. Allowances are terrible. What, am I meant to cut the grass or something? Okay, now I gotta go get a slingshot. How am I meant to get a slingshot? I guess I could always break some pumpkins. Anyway, he's waiting for the slingshot so you can get the water. You can't go in the store, but I will anyway, just because, hey, why not? She's just gonna be sad because her cat's gone missing. So you gotta go catch a fish for the cat, and you have to get the fishing rod by doing something else. She's sad. Oh my, it's young stupid. So I can't even get the slingshot from her because she's too sad about a cat. Like, come on, it's a cat. It's not like it's a dog or anything. It's not like your daughter's gone missing. It's a cat. He's looking for bees. I'm gonna look for rupees. That rhymes. It's a heart. Why do I need a heart? I'm not gonna go drowning. No! No, I don't want to. Fine. Hi. I can't see ya. So's mate, but I can't see ya. That's a cat. So So apparently jumping across rocks is just a normal feat for us lynx and stupids. And we can also blow hawk grass. And this is really cool what you can do with the hawk grass. It actually becomes an important role. Because you get to control a hawk and it's really cool. So, that monkey that's just squeaking good-ugg, good-ugg. Yeah, we go talk to that later. Okay? Okay, firstly we talk to the pregnant woman. Hey, you. Good morning. Looking for my husband, took your sword and left early. But I must ask you, stupid. Okay, so it's the baby's cradle. Guess who has it? The monkey. Now, if you didn't know monkeys were evil, I will let you know. Monkeys are good. Okay, but they are evil at the same time. So there's hawk grass, but I'm not going to blow that hawk grass when I can blow this hawk grass. And now that I know that I have to get the cradle, because apparently I'm pretty sure you have to talk to people, otherwise you're just getting a cradle for no reason. See that monkey that's going ooh-ah, ooh-ah? I don't think there's any chance that I can go steal the cradle from him. Go back, get the cradle, hear this really crappy fuzzy noise, which is so bad that, oh crap. I hope she doesn't mind a wet cradle. If she does, don't worry about it. Here, I got your cradle. Oh, stupid, that's the cradle, thanks. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, what? I have to take it with me. By the way, you have to take it to her house. At her pace. There you go. Just go there. So he just teleports there. Set it to B with minus. Okay, so yeah. You just go fishing rod. Yeah, I know what the B button does, and just do that. Okay, see? It's easy as that. But instead of A being back and B being normal, it's B being back and A being normal. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a swim. Okay, I'll let you know why later. There's rupees, and you need rupees to do anything. Because that's how life works, apparently. Now, it took me forever to figure out that that was what you had to do with the cradle and everything. So I thought, hey, this can be kind of a walkthrough too. Without it being really a walkthrough, because that's what I needed. Let's see. Give me a tug. No, no, stay down. There's a fish. No, stay down. Now let's just hope I catch a fish. Anyway, yeah, Wind Waker. It starts off normal, then you go to a dungeon. But it's not really a dungeon, it's just a jail thing to get your sword back. I quit. No! No more of this. The fish aren't biting today without bait. Oh, by the way, you need bait. And to get bait, you need to knock down something with a slingshot. And to get the slingshot, you need to catch a fish. So it's really all double whammy, but you can catch some fish without bait. I used to think you had to, like, try and... No! Get me up. Link's hair goes brown. Look, there's fish going for it. Got ya. Nope. Okay, I am terrible at fishing. And I actually consider myself a good fisherman, like, on land. Not in video game, though. What do I do? Do I wait until it's, like, taken? And then pull it up? What the hell? I've forgotten how to play this game. And I can't even talk to you about Wind Waker right now because I'm so confused about fishing. Hey, fish, bite me. Thank you. No, come on. Oh, good. Now I got fish on. For some reason I can't get that. It's a perch. Nope, it's a green gill, 10 inches. It's a small fry fish, which is really crappy. I want the heart. I don't want to dive, I just want the heart. Can I, like, feed you? Come on, I got the fish. No? Fine, sourpuss, run. I'm gonna collect more rupees because you need 30 rupees. And yeah, you need to catch one of those fish and then, like, while you've caught it, instead of pressing A or something, you gotta do something else. Anyway. Cat. Catus, the fattest. I think it has to be like a certain size and something too. And fishing is so hard in this game. Nope. Like, the fish don't want to take it, but they're like, oh yeah, we want to take it. We're gonna pull the whole sinker down. Maybe I have to learn how to... Maybe my mistake is forgetting how to use items. But I caught a fish before. Forgot what I did, but I caught a fish before. Yeah, see that little green gill? There you go. Come on. Come on, green gill. Please tell me you're heavy enough to pull it up. Nope. Oh, I hate fishing. Can someone just get on the line? Oh my god, these fish are so cautious. Oh my god, how did I do that? Do you just like strike it up really hard? Yeah, I think I know how to fish now. I really hope I do. Okay, fish, take it. Nope, I've forgotten how to fish again. Oh my god, fishing in this game is rubbish. And jerking the line without him being hooked. How do you know when he's hooked? When he's underwater? Yeah, but it doesn't... It was underwater then! Far out, I can't catch a fish. Being a fisherman and being able to catch a fish, two different things. Yes. He's gonna follow me. Oh, because I have the center fish on me. Right? Go home. Kitty pride. Cat woman. Are you gonna go in and can I buy stuff from you now? Oh no. Let me guess, I lost the cat. I hate my game. My gaming life is ruined. That cat's still there. Oh yeah, you have to give the cat the fish. I forgot how to do that, but I remember you do have to give it. Please tell me I can catch one more fish. Nope. I'm just gonna wait for it to say fish on. Can I assume that's a fish on? Nope, I can't. Did I just kill the fish? I think I did. Okay, fine. Oh, he wants me to catch a fish. I can cast. And I'm sorry this has probably gone on for like 10 hours now. Just because I can't catch the fish. Ooh, got ya! Oh my god, they were on the hook! I'm really tempted to get the manual right now and just be like, learn me. This is a really crappy video, I just realized that. Okay, you catch a fish basically while the cat is following you, and you will try to catch a fish. This is more for the entertainment, please skip if you want to. I might not even post this video. Okay, I'm really considering not posting this video. Yeah, fish. Come on, tasty, tasty. Lure. There are 10 little piece of crap fishes on there. Can I like pull it up now? Nope, I can't. Catch me! Oh, gosh dang fish. Oh my god. My anger management is needed right now because I can't even catch a fish. Damn it! Oh my god, I just caught a fish. I am so happy with myself right now. 12 inches, that's huge! Okay. You're just like, no! That was the biggest fish I've caught today! Great. Oh, by the way, the slingshot costs 30 rupees. But I will go in and see if I can help Helga or whatever her name is. See if she can discount me or something. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to explore the town and get another 20 rupees. My little kitty stupid came back. It's half empty, it's half full. Milk. It's 30 rupees, right? It was 30 rupees, not 50. No, that was the pellets. And apparently, me being the rich hobo of this family of young children who I look after, I have to look. So there's a yellow rupee there, up that hill. Can I get it? Nope. Stupid game. Doesn't even let me get a rupee. You do come back here for sumo wrestling, so don't worry if you don't do everything in this village. Okay, because yeah, there's sumo wrestling here too. It's actually quite a fun thing getting the... Oh, rupee. Rupee. If I don't get every rupee, I will be upset, just because I need every rupee. This is where I got up to on my second playthrough, and then I quit because... Oh my god, yes, trees do bump rupees! Knew it! I won't do it. Once I go into the forest, I won't. If you know what I mean. I will demonstrate the power of the slingshot and then end this video before it's... No, come on. There you go. Press Z to Z target, in case you did not know. Yeah, I got a yellow rupee. Can I jump off this cliff? Yes. No. Okay, 4 rupees. Okay, there is such thing as a pumpkin. And you know what they're used for? This. In this world, pumpkins have one use. And one use only. Rupees. After that, the word pumpkin means useless. It's a blue rupee. I don't care about wasting food. I just got enough to pay for a slingshot. I might even go fishing. I'll demonstrate what you can do in the village. You. I'll buy. Great, so, wait, notice there was a mouse trap in the shop? Even though, like... Yes, I know, this goes there. And this goes there. And okay. Hey, stupid. Okay, let's shoot it. It's like a bow and arrow, it's just cooler. Okay, bye, I'll need to drink that milk. You know what? You might ask why, but I just don't feel like. I just feel like I'll use the bottle for other reasons. Larvae, like, recover a quarter health. Yeah, let's climb up here, see what I got. See what merch is up here. Up this splendid tree, which is gonna take forever to climb up and down of. And then I'll just go fishing in that place where I was trying to fish earlier, but it didn't work. Please tell me there's like a rupee. I'm scared of heights! Okay, I choose the yellow. Did I make the right choice? No. Fine. Blue, I choose you! Ha, I didn't die. Now, before I go there, I'm going for a swim. I like swims. Welcome to the land of the boring people. AKA me playing this game. Now, I'm usually not a boring person when I play this game, but I decided why not be a boring person just for this video. I tried to rant about the other games, but really fishing was just too hilarious. Because I'm too good at it. Oh wow. Give me my blue rupee again. Okay, I got one larvae. There better be fish, because I got larvae on that hook now. Fish on! Oh my god, I'm just gonna... What the hell is that? From Auden, like... Oh my god, that's saying! Okay, that's an Auden catfish, 14 inch. From Auden, like stupid. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's like, welcome, is Auden catfish. From Auden, like stupid. It sounds like, Gollum from The Hobbit. My precious Auden catfish. From Auden, like stupid. No, that was crap. Come on. Fishy lots. Catfish. Eat. Want bigger inches. More inches on Auden catfish. From Auden, like stupid. Come on, fishy, fishy. There's food, fishy, fishy. I like fishing. It's actually fun when you actually know how to catch fish like I do now. I've learned. That's an Auden catfish, 14 inches from Auden. It's just like, congratulations, you released a fish. Okay, before we do that, let's just go into here. You have swords here. Shields here, other stuff here, other stuff here, other stuff here. Pieces of hearts there, wallet there, and fish book here. Look, there's a green gill. I've caught 3 fishes, and 12 inches is the largest. 2 fishes and 14 inches. Wow, I'm gonna keep a fish journal where whichever bit of water I go to now, in this game, or in this timeline thingy, I'm just gonna cast my rod. Because Auden catfish are from Auden, like stupid. Okay, now where do I go? I probably should go up there, refill my... No! It's called lava fishing. Great, I can go lava fishing. Or larvae if you want to call them special name. Anyway, I'll go test my slingshotty skills out. Oh. No, actually, I want the slingshot. I want to speak to Tommy. Stupid had enough money to buy it. Stupid maybe stupid. Can I get rupees from this? No, they just set up targets randomly in the middle of our village. Like, it's just like, oh, I can't believe you two brats are doing this, really? Whoa, look, they're doing, look at little fishy dances. The easier ones are with Z targeting, which you don't need to aim. Say, what am I meant to tell you? Okay, so I'm going to show you what Colin's dad brought, which happens to be, guess what? A sword. Okay? After that, I will shut this video off and you don't have to watch it anymore. Don't worry. I will continue to torture you later. Oh yeah, you get the wooden sword first. Right, I forgot. You get the wooden sword and then you get the metal sword, which actually does damage to enemies. No, the wooden sword hurts enemies too, but come on. Welcome to Orden Village. The land where you use wooden swords. So I'm teaching them how to use a sword, but they're going to tell me what to do and how to do it. The slice. Alright, so they're just like, oh, we don't know how to do it. Wow, a vertical slice. Was that it? Was that it? Wow, that was great, stupid! Wow, I like that jump attack, it breaks helms. Isn't that what a helm's supposed to do? Come here, you. I am not running after you. I really said I wasn't going to do anymore, didn't I? Should I respect my promise or should I not? Okay, YouTube, you're probably dead. So, I will save my quest, I will see how long I have been torturing you for, and then I will stop. 43 minutes! Oh, you guys must hate me if you're watching me to the end. 43 minutes of fishing. And moving. And torture. And white fluff. Like this. Mwah. Ain't anybody there? Ziggy would like to know if there's anybody there. Is there anybody there? Well, goodbye. I'm Lord Link. Remember to subscribe and try not to dislike even though this video was really bad. Bye.